Asus Strix RTX 4080 for NLE. He does game. He does in fact game. We're not just getting this PC for what's it called? For IRL streams. He also games. So I got him, you know, some of the best of the best. Andrew Garfield, bro. What's wrong with that? How many viewers we got?
63.
We already got 63 viewers, yo. It's only my third day out here. We have the i9 13900KF. So we're basically getting some beefy specs in here. NBN IRL streaming, bro. There's nothing wrong with IRL streaming. I'm just saying. Like, if he was only IRL streaming, I would have got him a 3060. He's gonna play GTA 5 roleplay. I talked to him before. Nice. Need 6 more for that golden number, 69. PC about to go crazy. No cap. No cap in sight. So, we have the i9. We got 7200 megahertz. He plays Warzone. He plays Warzone primarily. And GTA roleplay, as I believe he did mention to me as well. And I already knew that. But also, people in chat are mentioning it does make sense that he does play GTA roleplay. Brazy. That's a nice word. I'm gonna go take a shower. Alright, come back. So, we have a 1000 watt power supply. We have the Z790-E Asus. We have the NZXT Kraken Z73. You got the V2s, right?
Yeah, they're right there.
We got the SL120 V2s. You only get one shot. You miss 100% shots you don't take. Facts. Don't shoot your shot, end up on a TikTok. What does that mean? How much to have the Paradox crew pull up and hand deliver the PC? Depends on where you live, but I'll do it. You only move forward when you let go of the past. Do not be ashamed of your past. Never be ashamed of your past. Everyone has something that they're hiding or dealing with. Everyone. Yo! 25 gifted! 25 gifted! Let's fucking go! Oh, fuck. Nah, see, I'm fucking around now. I'm fucking around. I gotta focus. Yo, let's go. Fucking Viking, a goat. I'm the goat. You the goat. Because you got a better piece of the NLE. Huh? That's how you did it? You're just flexing your money? Like, let's go. Regiment tattoo, bro, that's crazy. John Breezoff! Yo, alright. Alright. Chat, it's time to get educational. It's time to get educational. It's time to get educational. Yo, for real, Leader Cola, you're the fucking man. I need to really take care of you. Whatever it takes, I'm a fucking...
What?
Alright, educational time. So, since we have a 4080, we have the new cables. This power supply is 1000 watt. And look, it's reversible too. This cable is reversible, and it's so sick. So it's gonna plug into our power supply, and it's going to plug right in to. Oh my god.
You good?
Yeah. No, Nick, I'm not good.
I bet.
You excited for West Point tomorrow, Nick?
So excited. What time are we waking up?
Like early, like 9.
Oh, that's not bad.
Level 12.
9/11?
9/11. Never forget. Stop. Level 20 or what? Yes. Man, the salute. I've never seen a level 12. Let's go. Chill, bro. You about to have Arpit twerking on stream. Bro, I'll literally get naked. What? Bro, I'll literally get banned just for you guys. Yo, I'll see you later, BitDecay. Chat, to make this build special, I've been meaning to try something. We're going to take this bracket off. You guys see this bracket right here? Like this fucking plastic shit?
You can give it Army West Point.
Army West Point gifted a sub! I'm stealthy. The government paid for that sub. Let's go. Paradox Customs is government sponsored. Jack, right? Proud of you for getting in. Remember my first time? Yeah, bro. She was so quick. Yo, we're working on it. Oh my god, I'm 20, bro. Yo. Bro, what the fuck? You can still change your Twitter handle. Why the fuck would I change my Twitter handle? I would lose my verification if I changed my Twitter handle. 25 gifted, bro. All right, I gotta get sturdy. Yeah, see, I can do it. Yo, where'd you get that money from? Damn, son, where'd you get this? So easy a caveman can do it. The 48 Strix is well built. Yup. Love the hype. Bro, that's because I'm fucking drugged out right now. No, I'm kidding. Babbling Bofin, thank you for the prime. Level 11 hype train emote. All-time record shattered. All-time record has been shattered, chat. Let's go. Choo-choo. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, chat. Bamboo with the sub. What the fuck? This thing is massive. This. Yo, noobs. Yes, we can't wait for yours either. Chat, everyone hype up TB Noobs. We're doing his PC on live very, very soon. Hello? I'm taking it out. 3, 2, 1. Ugh. Yes! Look at it! The fuck is that? The fuck is that? Oh! Oh! God damn! 4080 on some shit. Freaking huge. Who can handle this? Oh, not like that. Yo, who got this? Stream has been nuts. How many subs? 35 more subs, chat. Hell's Angelito. Danny Flow with the flow. Let's go. NLE. Are you the CEO? Am I?
I don't know.
I am. I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Bill is about to be done and winners are about to be picked.
Yeah. Can you screw this in for me?
Oh.
I'm your babysitter, low key. Oh shit. Yo, we gotta get 600 viewers. 600 viewers. Forlo with the follow. A little moody. Yo, a little moody. You're dope. 600 viewers. Oh my god. All right, chat. Oh, the Asus logo is on. That means this thing is fucking ready to go. I need you guys to spam 1 in the chat. We're almost at 650 viewers. Yo, Viking, it's gonna be on I'm gonna let you know. I'll let you know. It's gonna be like Tuesday or Wednesday. 1 in the chat. 1 in the chamber. Go over to Twitch. How do I enter? You don't.
You go over to Twitch.
Go over to Twitch. All right, we're gonna run it. Wait. Does it look good, Nick? Any blemishes?
No, it looks good.
3. That's a fucked up. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh.
Green! It booted! Did it boot? It booted, chat! Let's fucking go! Let's go! I'd rather marry that PC than my fiance. Well, say it with your chest. Best in the game. No cap. Yo! Yes, let's fucking go! Yo, zoom in on the camera. Yo, how you feeling?
Fucking mad.
Yeah! Yo, you from the UK?
Yeah.
Let's get it, yo! Let's go!
Beast.
Yo, you hyped?
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Bro, you just won this PC right here, bro.
Fuck, man.
This crazy shit.
Shit.
Bro, how'd you hear about the stream?
Twitter.
Twitter?
Yeah.
You follow Paradox?
Yeah.
Let's
Jeez,
go!
man.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you. What's your name? Oh, Liam, right?
Liam, yeah.
Bad, bro. Bad. All right, well, bro, this is all just a prank, bro. I'll catch you later, all right? No. Yo, let's go, man. Yo, what time is it over there?
It's 4:45 in the morning.
Ooh, my boy won a 5 a.m. PC. 5 a.m. PC. Let's get it, yo. How you feeling right now? You lit?
Yeah, fucking hell. I'm going to sleep now.
Oh, man. Nah, man. That's lit, dude. That's lit. We gonna ship it out to you. Even though you in the UK, we gonna get it out to him. That's not a problem. That ain't no problem.
Man, you're a beast.
Yo, you're a beast, dog. Yo, you have a great fucking night, all right?
And you, man. Thank you very much.
All right, sir. We'll see you later.
Thank you, buddy. Peace.
Peace. Let's go!